Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for visiting our webpage, watching this video, and for your interest in our fellowship program. I would like to start by introducing myself first. My name is Bhavna and I'm the Program Director for the Spectrum Health Michigan State University College of Human Medicine Pediatric Emergency Medicine Fellowship here at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital in Grand Rapids, Michigan. A little background about my training. I trained at Children's Hospital of Michigan in Detroit, where I completed both my residency in pediatrics and fellowship in pediatric emergency medicine in 2011. Thereafter, I worked at Children's National Medical Center in Washington, D.C. for about 1.5 years, and as luck would have it, I moved back to Michigan, but this time to Grand Rapids, and since then we have made West Michigan our forever home. In my role as Program Director of Pediatric Emergency Medicine Fellowship over the last couple of years, I feel energized about a lot of things pertaining to the program. However, I feel extremely passionate about providing high-quality, cutting-edge medical education for our fellows and residents. I also have a strong interest in faculty development for Spectrum Health faculty, as well as professional development for pediatric fellows. A little bit about our fellowship program. Since its inception in 2017, the Pediatric Emergency Medicine Fellowship has been recruiting one fellow a year with a successful match every year. We hope the program will continue to grow with expansion not only in the number of fellows, but also in the amount and quality of research, and as well as our presence at the national level. So what makes a program desirable? I'm sure that question comes to your mind all the time. There are several things that really define a successful program, some of them being patient volumes and clinical exposure, the type of your faculty, educational activities offered, as well as research support. So to highlight a few aspects that I think are special and unique to our program, first of all, our ED is a freestanding pediatric ED, which sees almost 55,000 patients a year and is the only pediatric ED for the entire West Michigan. Therefore, we see all variety of complex patients. The pediatric ED was built in 2011, so it's a pretty cool state-of-the-art facility with single patient rooms, and each room is fully equipped to provide patient care. About our faculty, it comprises of 11 pediatric emergency medicine physicians. All of them are trained from diverse institutions and are fully vested in fellows' education and success. We do have extensive simulation training and facilities available for all the fellows, as well as longitudinal ultrasound training throughout the fellowship period, which is facilitated by our adult emergency medicine colleagues with whom we share a very strong and healthy relationship. So what is our overall philosophy to train fellows? It totally aligns with Spectrum Health philosophy, and it's pretty simple. Treat your patients as you would want your family or yourself to be treated. So keeping that in mind, we strive to train our fellows to provide high quality, safe, and compassionate care to our families and communities. Our goal is to turn them into excellent physicians and to be leaders and educators in pediatric emergency medicine wherever they choose to practice.
My name's Stephen Gunning. I'm a first-year fellow here at Spectrum Health Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. So I interviewed at almost 10 different programs across the country, and I can say that this one was definitely, obviously, one of my favorites since I ended up coming here. But it was very personable. Everyone was very engaged. They seemed like they're happy to have people willing to educate. And the interview process was really smooth and friendly. The fellows were all welcoming and really seemed eager to have another fellow join them.
So going into fellowship, I knew I wanted to get in a lot of procedures, and ultrasound was one of them. One of the big things about our program is that we get a full 1 month long ultrasound rotation where you get to be autonomous and get to do as many ultrasound procedures as possible, and that's one of the things that I loved immensely about our program. The other thing is the ability to be autonomous while at the same time working with awesome attendings who kind of oversee what we're doing but kind of let us run the show as well, and I love the ability to be able to do that.
The best thing about Penn Fellowship, honestly, is just the overall camaraderie of the faculty, the fellows, and the residents, both pediatric and emergency medicine. I think you couldn't ask for a better group of people to work with.
Hi, my name is Dr. Christopher Benner, and I'm the Associate Program Director of the Spectrum Health Michigan State University Pediatric Emergency Medicine Fellowship at Helen DeVos Hospital in Grand Rapids. Thank you for your interest in our program. Our program offers a unique mix of community, academic, and tertiary care pediatrics, as well as a busy Level 1 pediatric and adult trauma center. We currently have 2 pediatric emergency medicine fellows, and this upcoming year we will see our first fellow graduate. As the Pediatric Emergency Medicine Research Director, I help design, plan, coordinate, and collaborate research studies in our emergency department. This includes helping our current fellows by overseeing scholarly activity and quality improvement activities from start to finish. We typically develop a schedule for research individually with each fellow that starts with forming a research question and eventually ends with the production of a research manuscript. This manuscript will be ready for submission before the conclusion of fellowship. We have research support available from Spectrum Health, Michigan State University, and Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. I also serve as a pediatric ultrasound liaison for our fellowship. I help teach our fellows ultrasound skills that are used in diagnosis, treatment, and procedures at the bedside. What I like most about Grand Rapids is the proximity of amazing restaurants, entertainment venues, and the great outdoors, including a short drive to the best freshwater lake in America. Come check it out virtually until you're able to visit in person, and we'll give you a warm West Michigan welcome.
I highly encourage you to explore the website to learn more about the program and about West Michigan in general. West Michigan is a great place to raise family with top-rated school systems and a lot of fun activities for the entire family to do throughout the year. Please feel free to reach out to me, Chris, our Associate Program Director, or our Program Coordinator if you have any questions. We look forward to meeting you.